ride a century and what you guys do. Okay, what you guys do on the highway is probably some of the most unsafe shit I've seen.
We're almost done. We're out of gas and they shut off all the gas pumps. I'm running a wheelie right now. I'm running a wheelie right now. They're shutting down gas pumps and shutting the gas and hit us. Check out the epic mother.
Also get it on star by this little freak. Get a face turned up, nigga, holla at a Jeep. Liquor by the bottle makes it dance in my drink. About to hit the party, rolling up 20 deep. Want a convoy of hard boys you wouldn't wanna meet. Big fits, nigga, let's respect. off with your bitch at this clock. This isn't a game and I never will stop. Get a mind, rip my sick, thick, thick. Nigga, this is zest. Name a better rhymer when I break his neck. Break his bitch while I take his check. Break the bank with his beat by shot. Y'all know the name, nigga, Thick City Vex. Cap City gang, nigga, none got next. Take it to the street, nigga, this my set.
What you do when you see that group of G's? Cats in the gang, salute the 2V's. Respect the vets, protect your neck. Never been better than the big city veteran.
Hey, homeboy, put your hand to your head again.
Big vets that said we catch it wreck.
Fuck a reason, this is hunting season. Try to stop my bed from feasting, man, I'll stop you breathing. Talk is cheap, the dance is expensive. Toxic coppers lose your choppers, boy, you better respect it. Code to the street, you rolling with heat. And I ain't talking fucking gas, goof, I'm talking police. I don't talk to police, you boys stand up cat. Never take a standing rat, see I'm anti that. Pro is how I rap, putting Vic on the map. Whether the sheets or the streets, Jim for sure I'm strapped, you know.
Celebrities that police say should have no problem hanging up when they break the law.
We will skip that whole lawyer process, go straight to the insurance company, let them know the dangerous behavior insured is involved in.
Laura Hediger, News 4.
I'm under the direction to tow any bike that has a hot motor.
I mean,
Listen,
I understand. I'm not trying to.
all I'm asking. I know
You see
nothing.
my situation. I mean,
Okay.
I didn't participate in the ride that you were chasing all the guys on.
I don't know anything about it.
Well, I mean, okay.
So if the bike's hot, you're towing it.
Correct.
That's legal?
I was told by my captain to do it. I'm only assuming it's legal by taking a directive from my captain.
I'm being a reasonable person. You can see that. Can I speak to your captain? Just plead my case with him because.
If he comes back by here, I will point you out to him and have you guys talk it over. Okay.
Yeah, if your bike motor is hot, they are towing it. And I got him on video saying it.